Saturday, February 11th. One more day till the big Super Bowl. I told you the other night, I whispered that we had gotten back in a yarn that everybody loves. I didn't have it last year, so I gave it a rest, and I thought I'd bring it back. It's great spring yarn, fall yarn, year-round yarn. It's a great yarn for anyone who cannot wear wool. It is a beautiful blend of 30% nylon, 27% cotton, 24% acrylic, 10% silk, and 9% linen. It is a machine wash on the delicate cycle, lay flat to dry. It has unbelievable yardage, 432 yards. It is DK weight. It's kind of has a tweed look to it, and it's called Remix Light by Berrocco. By Berrocco. This beautiful little Clara dress was made out of it, and made out of this color. So it is cute, cute, cute. It's just a great yarn. It's super soft. It's lovely. So you can't go wrong. Tons of sweaters knit with it, all kinds of stuff. And there's 14 colors. Hello, 14 colors. All right, so we'll start with the peony, and then we'll go to the Nightfall. Kind of a blue. It's a dark navy blue. Really nice. I like it. Nightfall. And then we have Elderberry. Nice pale blue. Pale blue. Then we have this beautiful turquoise, which is called Pool. Turquoise. A nice gray tweed called Smoke. Nice Smoke. These are lovely. We have Apricot, gorgeous orange, and Gooseberry, which is a nice peach color, gooseberry. We have Periwinkle, blue, purple blue, lovely, Periwinkle. We have the basics, which everybody loves. We have Birch, just a creamy, gorgeous, creamy off-white. We have Almond, beautiful tan for all you neutral folk. I love this green. This is a great green for a man's sweater called Moss. Gorgeous. And then a complement to that is Leaf. Beautiful. Can't go without Cherry Red. And last but not least, one of my faves, of course, Buttercup. All right, 14 gorgeous colors. And the price is right. $14.50 for 437 yards, you guys. What? You can make a sweater out of 3 for sure. Amazing. All right. Gosh, we were busy today. Stuff just coming in and going out. People are shopping. They're still knitting along. We had a big crowd for social knitting, which is always fun. All right. Tomorrow, Sunday, our day of rest. It will be a lovely day full of rain. But rain is a gift, right? So we'll be glad we have it in the dry, hot summer. So tomorrow's rainy. Stay home, cook, make all those yummy snacks and hors d'oeuvres, honker down in front of that television and enjoy the game, and especially the commercials. That's my favorite part, of course, and I think most people's favorite part. So I think that's all I have for you. I will definitely see you on Monday. Have a prayerful, peaceful, calm, rejuvenative, comfortable, cozy Sunday. I'll see you Monday.